Today we will discuss basics of electrical engineering. Here you can observe the classifications. If we consider total electrical family, we have two sources. That is, first one is voltage source and second one is current source. So here I represented voltage source with one big horizontal and second one small line with the horizontal. This is the symbol of voltage source in the DC. Assume I am taking as example, if your family is having the main sources of your family is, first one is your father and second one is your mother. So assume just like your father, here voltage source is like your father, that is the main source of your family, and second source is current source. Here the current source is represented in a circle with arrow. If arrow is upward direction, the current flowing in upward direction. If the arrow mark is down direction, then current is flowing in the down way. So assume here current source is your mother. So finally, in electrical engineering, the main sources are voltage source represented as volt V, capital V, and second one is current source with representation of capital I. So assume this family is having 3 children. So first one is basic element, that is resistor. Assume resistor is like your brother, maybe younger brother or elder brother. So just similar to your brother. So we will take some characteristics to remember the properties of resistor. Okay, so here this is the symbol of resistor and it is represented as capital R and the unit is ohm. And here when the circuit is consisting of resistor, then finding of current is very simple, that is I is equal to V by R. V is equal to I into R. If we multiply I into V, then we will get power. Or if you substitute V is equal to IR, then you will get one more power equation, that is I square into R. Or if you substitute in place of I, V by R is value, then you will get P is equal to V square by R. So this is the element which is having the property of dissipating the total energy or total power whatever is across the circuit. So just like your brother, if your father is giving 100 rupees to your brother, so at the end of the day your brother will purchase anything, but finally he won't having any amount of money. So here also whatever the energy absorbed by the source, the resistor is dissipating everything at the end of the circuit, end of the time. So the resistor is having the dissipating the total energy from of the circuit. So second element is inductor. It is represented as L with L and the unit is Henry. So here whenever the current is passing through some coil, the coil is having n number of turns, then it produces flux linkages. This psi is equal to flux linkages, where psi is equal to number of turns into flux produced by the coil. Whenever the current is passing through some coil, automatically around that one the magnetic flux is produced. So the product of n number of turns into flux is called flux linkages. Psi is called flux linkages. Here, if we define inductance, it is the ratio of flux linkages to current. L is equal to psi by I, which is equal to n phi by I. Here substituting flux linkages, psi value is equal to n into phi by I. This is the definition of L, inductor, the ratio between the flux linkages to current in the circuit. V is equal to L di by dt. This is the voltage equation. So I is equal to 1 by L integral V dot dt. This is the current equation. So power equation is equal to L di by dt. Whereas energy equation is equal to half Li square. Here the inductor is having the property of storing of energy. So assume you are having one sister. So if your father is giving 100 rupees, definitely the end of the day your sister will be store at least 10 rupees. So assume that or compare this inductor with your sister. So here also the inductor is storing the energy in the form of magnetic field. This is very important. You have to remember, inductor is having the property of storing of energy in the form of magnetic field. This is the second element. Coming to the third element, and which is very important in the electrical engineering, that is capacitor. So it is represented with capital C. It is represented two horizontal lines or two plates. In between two plates or two conductors, a dielectric medium is filled with this space, and the unit is farad. I is equal to C dV by dt. Vi is equal to 1 by C integral I dt plus initial value. V of t is equal to 1 by C integral 0 to t I dt. Here also the energy equation is equal to half CV square. Here the capacitor is having the property of storing the energy in the form of electric field. So here the main sources are voltage source, current source, and the elements are resistor, inductor and the capacitor. So in second page, if the two resistors are connected in series, what happens? So here when the two resistors are connected in series, the equivalent resistance value is equal to R1 plus R2. If it is connected in parallel, R equivalent is equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. If two inductors are connected in series, L equivalent is equal to L1 plus L2. If it is connected in parallel, L equivalent is equal to L1 L2 by L1 plus L2. If the capacitors are connected in series, then the value become half, that is C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. If it is connected in parallel, then equivalent capacitor is equal to C1 plus C2. It is exactly opposite to the resistor and inductor. So here single phase, the AC supply is in two types, that is single phase and three phase. So what is the rating of single phase voltage? So it is equal to 230 volts. So in our home appliances, if you observe, if you take tube or fan, the voltage is 230 volts and with having 50 hertz constant supply. If it is three phase, then the voltage value is equal to 430 volts and the frequencies remain constant, that is 50 hertz. If you take US, then the value there, the frequency value is 60 hertz. Next, coming to the direct current having two conductors, positive conductor and negative conductance. So here if it is AC, we will represent it as phase and neutral. If it is DC, then positive conductor, negative conductor, which is having positive means which is having higher potential and negative is having the lower potential. And in DC, it is independent of frequency, whereas in AC, we will represent the frequency term. Next, coming to the transformer. Transformer is a device which the levels of voltage the device is known as transformer. If it is changes the voltage levels, it may be increased voltage or decreasing. If the voltage is increased, then it is called step up transformer. If the voltage is decreased, then it is called step down transformer. So in power systems, we have three types, that is generation part, transmission part and distribution part. So you know that in electricity board we have three departments, GENCO, TRANSCO and DISCOMs. So in generally GENCO, the GENCO engineers will produce the voltage of 11 kV. So this 11 kV is stepped up to 33 kV, then 132 kV, then 220 kV, then 440 kV. So once it is increased by using step up transformer, so the voltage 132 or 220 or 430 it is used for transmission. Again this high voltage must be stepped down up to 11 kV by using step down transformers. So why we have to increase the voltage when we are in the transmission system? Why? Because when we increase the voltage, we will get more efficiency. The losses will be decreased. That's why we will increase the voltage levels when we are giving to the transmission system, and when we are giving to the DISCOMs, we will decrease the voltage levels. So here single phase, it is represented as phase and neutral. In three phase, three conductors, that is R, Y, B, where R is represented as red, Y is yellow, B for blue and N for neutral. So this one is three phase neutral connection. In electrical technology, inductor and capacitor is to create oscillations. So whenever the circuit is consisting of inductor and capacitors, you will get the oscillations and you will get derivations, integrations. Be careful whenever the circuit is consisting of inductor and capacitor. Next definition is charge. So this is we will discuss in next class. Thank you for your patience hearing.